All right, boys, we're here with Clayton, Casey for the first time in ever, pretty much. Today we are going to be hunting everything that moves that is small in size. In today's video, snow will not be the only thing falling from the trees. We'll catch you with the first kill.
Well, boys, if you can see this, I don't know if this is working or not, but we got fresh snow last night, so any tracks we see are within the last 12 hours, so we're gonna go ahead and shoot a rabbit out of this. Guess I'll go over here.
There's a 100% rabbit. All right, boys, we got two gunners. Got Clay over there somewhere. Casey over here. We're gonna try to stir a rabbit out of this brush pile.
These birds are pumping me up. I'm ready. Casey, don't shoot me. I'm right here. Casey? Yeah. Okay, I'm right here. Don't shoot me. I don't know. Whatever. Moving on. Interesting. Four-legged creature. Heading south, probably. I mean, less than an hour ago. So I think we're on the trail. Keep going. Yeah, here. That one's not far. Boys. Hope that was on camera. First one of the day. Laid the smack down on that bastard. You won this hole. You won this hole. I'm not even shitting you. This tree right here. There's currently 3 squirrels in that tree, inside holes. Watched all 3 of them go in holes, just barely evading me. Yeah, not thrilled about it. We're gonna try some trickery here that we're not gonna show on the camera. If that don't work, we're moving on. Oh, you got him, you got him.
I can see him, but I think we shot him.
Now he's pissed.
Okay, Casey. Before we get there, because Clay's gonna try to steal my kill, I shot him in the back between his shoulders. I just want you to remember, I'm telling you that before we get there. I'll shake on that. I'll shake on it. I shot him, and he was falling off the tree, and Clay shot him.
Not gonna lie, I think that one was already dead when I shot it.
So one on that tree.
Somebody can find it.
Did you get him? Did you get him? Nice. Sure hope he doesn't have a 22 mag shell between his shoulders.
I didn't even mean to do it. I just seen the tail and I was like, wait a minute.
He's so fucking hard to hit. There's so much brush. All right, boys. Walking up on the first kill of the day. Only took me 15 fucking shots. There he is. Headshot.
This is a tutorial on squirrel calling.
That means I'm a horny squirrel looking to bang. I'll be coming soon. Just wait. All right. Welcome back to Midwest Outlaws. In today's episode, we're gonna prank Clay. We're gonna shoot him in the back of the head. Watch this.
Well, boys, a little update for you. We left the farm. We're now in the deer woods. So we're 2 squirrels down. We're going to see if we can grow that number and maybe add some species to it. Stay tuned.
Big one, giant one, huge one. Oh, this thing? Yep, the big dead snag. Pull. You missed. No, you're not. Yes, you did.
Pull.
Pull.
Pull. You suck at this game. Shooter ready.
Pull.
That's what I blame it on too. No idea why we're not seeing any squirrels, but I think we're gonna head back to the house. And if this is a too short video, I might cook them up. I don't know.
I killed a bird.
Oh, Bo killed a bird, by the way.
Want to see it?
What kind of bird was it?
Flying one.
All right, let's go see Bo's bird. See what kind of bird it is. Hopefully it wasn't an owl or a bald eagle or something. That's his style. Well, Bo decided he didn't want you guys to see the bird he shot, but long story short, I'll just put it this way. Bo's not a fan of the state of Indiana. Yeah, fuck Indiana, I guess. Asshole. Got anything to say? We'll see on the next one.
Oh shit, Clay. There's a squirrel in the creek.
Yeah.
Did you get him?